All right, guys, we got a little bit of an ammo test for you here this morning. Up first, we're going to do some SK. This is flat nose match. Then we got some SK rifle match and some SK long range match. After the SK ammo, we're going to step into the Midas. This is a Midas Plus. Lapua, that's a Lapua Midas Plus. Then we have some Lapua Center X. Then we got some Lapua X Act. Lapua X Act ammo. And then an ammo that you see here on this channel a lot. This is Wolf Match Extra. Really good ammo. Been having a lot of luck with this. Then for the heck of it, we're going to throw in some Ely Subsonic. This is the target we're going to be using right here. So I won't be aiming at the red dots per se. I will be aiming off in these areas because I want to use a fine aiming point. Stand by. Okay guys, sorry about the lighting there. It's early in the morning. This is the Desert Precision build. Kenny at Desert Precision Gunworks built this barrel to action for me. Put a scope on it. We're going to do a little ammo testing and we will go from there. I'll move the camera down range at 50 yards so we can see what's probably 10 rounds each, just to see, let the barrel acclimate and then go from there. Stand by. Okay guys, we are at 50 yards. It's a windy day. We probably won't do any testing at 100. It's supposed to be 20-mile-an-hour wind gusts today. Try to get this done for you guys. This is it's a pretty popular ammo. A lot of guys use this stuff, and we'll see how it shoots through this Douglas barrel. Okay guys, starting from the top, work our way down. First was flat nose match. To be fair to this ammo, that first shot was off of a clean barrel. So that's the flat nose match. I was hoping this to do the best. I like this ammo a lot. I use it as a standby when I don't have wolf. Then we went with the SK rifle match, which is this guy right here. That's a pretty nice little group. Then we have long range match right here. That group right there. Midas Tac kind of surprised me a little bit. That was a nice little group. My Begora and the CZ I had didn't really like the Midas Tac, Midas Plus very well. This Douglas barrel seems to like the Midas Plus very well. Then next was RimX. It was shooting a really good, nice little group there. It done really well. And then if we go right here, this is the Ely Subsonic, kind of out of order. That's the Ely Subsonics right here. Then we got the X-Tac. I don't know why it had that one flyer there, but anyways, if it had that one flyer, that'd have been a really good group. And then we got the old Standby Wolf Match Extra. Looks like we had a little horizontal stringing there a little bit. Not bad. This stuff right here I use a lot of. I really like it a lot. But the whole thing to take away from this, guys, is the consistency of the groups. I mean, the group sizes, yeah, there's some a little bit bigger and some a little bit smaller, but they're all pretty good groups. I mean, they really are, especially for a new build. I'm still learning the quirks of this action. And going through the process of finding the ammo that likes the best. So if any of you guys out there are running a RimX with a Douglas barrel, this is kind of an idea of what it might like. Again, this is a 24-inch barrel. Back up just a little bit here. Kind of see the gun a little bit better. We talked about this last night. A video I just released yesterday. I'm trying to do a little ammo testing today and see what it likes. Won't be doing any shooting today because we're supposed to have some 20-mile-an-hour gusts, so it won't be a really good time to test ammo. It's kind of why I tested it at 50 yards. Again, I want to give a shout out to Kenny at DP Gunworks. I reached out to him for this barrel action. Much appreciated. I'm learning the quirks of the action, Kenny. It seems to be running well. Everything in that thing is replaceable. The ejector, I mean, the extractor, everything's easy to replace. It seems to be very, very nice action. So Kenny, I appreciate you, sir. Thank you for your hard work. And I'll keep throwing out some videos on this guy. And we'll go from there. Hopefully we'll get to stretch it out here on a not so windy day. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. This is Mike from Panther Hollow Sporting Optics. You guys have a great week. Thanks for watching.